Hi, my name is Sandra Bowling and I'll be teaching subdivision design this semester. Let's get started. The class is going to be held on Friday from 9 to 12:30 in room 9-207. The syllabus has been uploaded to Blackboard for your review, but the course objectives include review property descriptions to include block and lot systems and subdivision of public lands with respect to subdivision regulations and plat laws. Acquire an understanding of the scope and nature of the residential land development process. Become familiar with the engineering design calculations associated with each of the phases in residential land development, the applicable regional and local ordinance requirements governing the subdivision process, the use of AutoCAD Civil 3D as a method of generating a set of construction plans. In addition, you'll produce the following deliverables at the end of the course: a partial set of CAD-generated design drawings for a residential subdivision, a written project narrative describing the project, and an oral presentation. Now, in the class, we'll be using two textbooks: the Land Development Handbook, Planning, Engineering, and Surveying by Dewberry, and the Autodesk Mastering AutoCAD Civil 3D 2014. Now, both of these books have been are available on Valencia's library. If you go to Blackboard and go underneath textbooks, you'll see several videos on how to access the books. The handbook, the Land Development Handbook, is in Access Engineering Library, and the Autodesk Mastering AutoCAD Civil 3D is in the eBrary, and I give you tutorials on how to load those books. You can also create PDFs from each of those chapters to have on hand. Now, my information is I'm in Building 9, Room 223, and I've given you my phone and my email address on how to contact me. We'll also have office hours, and they'll be posted on my office door. For the most part, the instructional method is going to be face-to-face, and a lot of information is going to be on Blackboard. So if you need help with Blackboard, let me know. The course is a combined lecture and lab course. Individual as well as group work is required. The course breakdown in the grading scale is as shown. You'll have a few tests. You'll have about 2 tests, a final exam. You'll have projects, homework, construction plans, reports, and presentations. In addition, you'll be required to do critical thinking reports. Classroom policies, absences, and makeup work. Here's the disclaimer. Changes in the syllabus and/or schedule may be made at any time by announcement from the instructor. There's a no-show policy. If you miss the first few weeks of class and you do not show up to your instructors and let them know what's going on, they can withdraw you from class. My classroom policy is as is. Classroom attendance and punctuality is vital to the academic success. If you miss a class, you need to contact a classmate to get the notes you missed. Students who do not maintain regular attendance will be withdrawn by the professor unless other arrangements have been made with the professor. Missing the equivalent of more than 3 weeks of classes for any reason other than absences excused in accordance with Valencia's policy is excessive and a basis for withdrawal. Being 15 minutes late for class or leaving prior to the end of class will count as an absence. It is the responsibility of a student to find out what was covered if you miss class. Important dates. The summer term class begins May 15th. The drop refund date is May 18th. The no-show reporting period is May 19th through 28th. And if you withdraw, you need to withdraw by July 10th to receive a W. Classes end August 4th, and you can see the exam schedule at the following web address. There's no class on the 25th of May or July 3rd and 4th. Review on Blackboard the schedule of topics, the reading requirements, and the due dates for homework assignments, critical thinking reports, and projects and presentations. All right, that's it for the syllabus. I've uploaded the syllabus as I said, so take a look at that so you become familiar with it in class. Thanks.